These cats are so fluffy, even the vacuum cleaner gave up. Hit subscribe so these cats know you support the fluff economy. Number 4. The Ragdoll. This cat is basically a warm weighted blanket with legs. You pick it up and it just flops like, yep, do whatever, I'm off duty, partner. Number 3. The Siberian. Built for winter, built for fluff, built for drama. One shake of its fur and suddenly your whole living room looks like a snow globe without your permission. Number 2. The Persian. This cat wakes up every day looking like it owns 3 hotels. The fur, luxurious. The attitude, premium. Knock one thing over, and it acts like it's judging your life choices. And number 1, the Maine Coon. Half cat, half mythical forest creature. A walking pillow with taxes. If Fluff had a royal family, this cat would be sitting on a throne made of hairbrushes. Like if you want a fluffy friend.